Hello friends, how are you? Today that we will be talking about quadratic equations. Quadratic equation. This is a very important topic for your examination preparations. Those who are preparation for IIT, and this is absolutely for IIT foundation course. So if you like our videos, so please do not forget to share our videos and do not forget to like our videos. By the way, so in case of the quadratic equation, suppose we have written one equation that is most important here, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is one equation. Here the power, the highest power is a 2. So an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 2 is called quadratic equation. So this particular equation that I have written on this screen, that is quadratic equations. Here you can see three things we are very important here, that is an a, b and c. These three numbers, these are the constant, right? Whereas a and b both are not equal to 0. Clear? Or especially that we can say a is not equal to 0, and we can say then a, b, c, these three number belongs to the real number. This is the criteria that we need to follow up over here. This is the quadratic equations. To follow the quadratic equations, we need to follow these particular situations over here, right? That is the most important thing that we need to follow up in this particular video lecture. Now this particular equation has two roots. This is the linear equations, and this linear equation has two roots. So how will you find out the roots of this equation? So here it is, suppose ax square plus bx plus c, that is equals to 0, right? Now what we can do, this ax square plus bx is equals to minus c. Now divide the both of the portion with a, so it becomes x square plus b by ax is equal to minus c by a, dividing by the coefficient of x square. Now adding both of the side, x square plus b by a x plus b square plus 4a square. So in this side we need to add b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. So this portion will become x plus b by 2a whole square is equals to b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. It is clear? Now if I make LCM of these portion, so we get 4a square is equals to, here it would be b square minus 4ac. So what would be the value of this portion? X plus b upon 2a, this value would be plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Clear? Now the value of x should be minus b upon 2a is equal, 2a plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Sorry, we made a mistake over here. It should be 2a and this should be 2a. Now the value of x, it should be minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So the two roots of x, it becomes the two roots of x from this equation becomes x is equals to minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and another value x should be minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we have these two equations, so two roots value that we got of x. These are the two roots. This is the root of the equation. Roots of the equation. This is the one method to find out the roots of the equations. There is another method to find out the root of the equations that we are going to see over now in these sections. What is the equations? The equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Let me consider that ax square plus bx plus c, it should be mx plus n into ex plus f, where m is not equal to 0 and e is not equal to 0. So in this particular equations, how to find out the things? So this value means this value. So we can say mx plus n and ex plus f, this value should be equal to 0, right? So in that case, mx plus n should be 0. So the value of x should be minus m upon n, or x should be minus f upon e, should be n upon m. So these two value we are getting from here. So now based on these two methods, we can find out many equations. These two are the roots of the equation. Roots of the equation. I hope it is clear. So thank you for joining the class. Wish you a best of luck.